hi, I'm working from home. Are you too? Working from home is really cozy. But on the other hand, it has certain pitfalls for our efficiency, our well-being, and our personal brand. And that's what we're going to talk about now. Working from home is great because when you work from home, you have all this liberty and freedom. You can plan your own time, do the things whenever you want to, work at night, do something different during the day. My name is Petra Wüst. I'm a trainer and a coach, and at the beginning of my career as an independent trainer, I also worked from home. So I know very well what I'm talking about, and at the very end of the video, I will also show you what you can do that working from home for you will be a success. When you work from home, one of the issues, there's always distraction. You can feed the cat, you can water the plant, call your mom, do all these things. That's great, but that's also a distraction. So it can happen very easily that you stay at home, you have a lot planned, and at the end of the day you say, oh well, I haven't really achieved anything. There's another factor that can hinder you and your self-confidence and how you feel about yourself is that, you know, when you work from home, you can work in your pajamas. So it happened to me at least quite often that I, was already wearing my pajamas, going off to bed. And then, before I went to bed, I said, oh, let's just briefly check my emails or look something on the laptop. And then I sat down at 11 o'clock at night. And when I looked at the watch the next time, it was already 1 o'clock. 2 hours vanished. Then the third aspect, that's an important one, is personal branding. Make sure you look professional, because when you look professional, people will see it, but you will also feel professional, and that will make a big impact on you and on your performance in the online meeting that you're having. So what can you do to make working from home a success? First of all, you need a plan. When do I get up in the morning? When will I have breaks? When do I go for lunch? And very important, until when do I work? So when do I finish my day? You decide, I finish by 6 o'clock, you do it, you finish by 6 o'clock, and then you enjoy the evening. So don't mix free time and working time too much. Then about branding, make sure to look professional. Always remember the other person who's, for example, on your online meeting, the other person might not work from home. They are in the office, so they want a professional partner. So make sure to look professional. Also make sure your environment looks professional. So when you have a professional online meeting, don't do it from the kitchen. Figure out, how do I want to be perceived? What impression do I want to give? And that's a very important question regarding your personal brand. So make sure to value and to protect your personal brand even when you work from home. These are difficult and scary times, but maybe you can still turn a necessity into a virtue and spend the time that you have when you have to work from home into a learning opportunity. I'd be very happy to support you. So if you want help, if you want an online coaching regarding any questions you might have around the workplace, and especially, of course, regarding your personal branding, then feel free, contact me. I'm looking forward to meeting you.